पानी
कहा था ना पानी कम इस्तेमाल करो. This public service message was brought to you by Ministry of Water and Power, Pakistan Paindabad.
Привет, shalom and bonjour.
Assalamu alaikum.
My name is Bassam Shazli.
I am Hassan bin Shaheen.
Welcome to our second episode of Saste Critics.
Today we'll be reviewing the water crisis. The Pakistan Council of Research and Water Resources has said that if immediate action is not taken, Pakistan will dry up by 2025. Most people in Pakistan do not have access to running water.
Pakistan has the world's fourth highest rate of water use.
Pakistan's economy is the most water-intensive economy in the world.
And by 2003, the World Bank had categorized Pakistan as a water-stressed country, surpassing Ethiopia and at par with Libya and Algeria.
Look, brother, we should be glad we are not Pakistan.
At least we have water in Africa.
Dude, that was racist.
Yeah.
Thoda sa.
Balochistan's Karez irrigation system is drying up. Sindh is drying up. And in Punjab, the western rivers, River Ravi, Satluj and Beas are all drying up.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
The water crisis.
The water crisis? Who? 55 million Pakistanis do not have access to clean drinking water.
30,000 people die in Karachi every year because of water contamination.
630 children die annually from diarrhea, which is a waterborne disease. If you're not already scared of these facts,
You have a problem.
This is an emergency drill. Now we're going to learn how to survive the water crisis. So, what does this mean for Pakistan?
Well, we have no drinking water in the near future.
We'll have major droughts.
Our economy crashes.
Then we'll have ads like these.
अगर आपकी बीवी को नहाना हो और वो कहे
कि बराबर घर जाकर नहाना है.
आपको कैसा लगेगा? अगर आपका बेटा अपनी पसंद की शादी करना चाहता है और शादी में पानी ना हो तो लोग क्या कहेंगे? और जब आपकी बेटी वाटर डाइट में पानी ही ना पी पाए तो आप उसको कैल्शियम सप्लीमेंट देंगे? फिक्र ना करें, वाटर बैंक ऑफ पाकिस्तान लाया वाटर इन्वेस्टमेंट स्कीम्स. अपने बच्चों की आला तालीम के लिए, शादी, एक्सीडेंट्स, खाना, रिटायरमेंट तक हाइड्रेट होने के लिए इन्वेस्ट इन द वाटर बैंक ऑफ पाकिस्तान. वाटर बैंक ऑफ पाकिस्तान, कभी प्यास ना लगे.
So why is all of this happening to Pakistan?
Well, since the 1960s, from our infamous Indus Water Treaty with India, Pakistan made Tarbela and Mangla dams. Since then, Pakistan has not built any major dams or barrages. This has led to decades of wasting water. Whilst India has made 4,000 dams and 150 more dams are in the pipeline.
Pakistan's dams can only store water up to 30 days, while for India, the case is 220 days.
Frankly, my dear, I don't give a damn.
So all is not lost. What can we do to save ourselves?
Well, there is no silver bullet for Pakistan. We need to do many things at the same time.
The government needs to immediately build dams in the next 5 years. And let's forget about the controversial projects like Kalabagh Dam. Let's move on from that. Pakistan में और भी जगहें हैं जहाँ पे शदीद ज़रूरत है पानी की, so make dams and barrages.
Pakistan also needs major pricing reforms. Obviously, this has to be based on household income. So if you're poor, you don't pay as much as the rich do.
And most importantly, we need to be vocal. Everyone needs to have a national conversation on this major crisis.
We need a national conversation on this. We need to do it immediately, or we will die and suffer without water and will be parched.
We are Saste Critics signing off. If you haven't watched our last episode about the heat wave, well then go watch it, yaar.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
And like our Facebook page.
And if you like Bassam and me, our links are down below as well. Please like our Facebook pages.
Please subscribe. Please, 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 please,